Hey, if you run a business or lead a small team, you need an AI roadmap. You already know AI should be making things easier, but so far for so many, it's often made things a lot more confusing. The gap between what a small team can do and what a big team can do is now almost gone. AI closed that gap, but there's still a lot of potential pitfalls. I'm sure what you want your team to be is an AI success story, not an AI failure statistic. You need an AI roadmap. And over the next 5 minutes, I will share a framework with you. I created this while developing my company, Seresa, from zero over the last 18 months. Without a roadmap, here's what often happens. Are you ready? You spend the weekend watching 3 amazing videos about AI and how to implement it in your company to make your business workflows better. They all make it sound so easy and so simple. Monday morning, you walk into the office, call the team together and say, we're going to all in on AI. We're going all in on AI. Here's what we're going to do. Here's the plan. Then you lay out the amazing plan. The team pretends to look excited. And you pretend not to notice. But by Friday, you know the story. Everyone's exhausted, confused, and feeling like dummies. Because on Monday, they thought they actually knew something about AI. But by Friday, they found out the reality that they knew very little or nothing. Reality hit strong. And now, on top of that, you've gone and broke 3 key systems while trying to improve them. That's the chaos trend. It's happening everywhere. And it's exactly what a good roadmap prevents. I've been in IT for over 45 years and have built systems for most of that time. I'm old school. New ideas have to actually work for me. When I started Seresa in early 2025, I had to learn the hard way. Learning how to use AI in real business, solving real problems with a real team. Thousands of hours later, we have built real systems. But we've made so many mistakes along the way. Everything I share in these videos comes from that. Not theory, not hype, just what actually worked in the end. Here's 3 milestones to get you started. 1, become AI focused. API stands for Application Program Interface. It's how one piece of software directly talks to another. No middleman, no fluff. When you hear API, think direct line. And here's the thing. APIs have nothing to do with AI. It's ancient tech, robust tech, but it hasn't been widely used by many small business teams because it used to be expensive to set up and maintain, or you had to pay hefty monthly fees, subscription fees to multiple providers. AI has changed that equation completely. APIs are the foundation. Everything else builds on that. Think API first when you're looking at any system improvement using AI. Make it your top of mind question. Are there any APIs that we can use? MCP should ring a quiet warning bell. They should not get you too excited. Now that you're thinking API first, here's the trap. MCP, Model Context Protocols, are everywhere right now. Every tool is launching one. But here's what most people miss. A lot of MCPs are just APIs wearing a different hat. But some aren't. So your 2 questions need to be this. Can I build a real workflow with this? And are there real APIs that I can hook into and use? Let me show you the difference. Here's GT Metrics. And they're a great system, these guys. They've been going for a long time. They've launched a new AI and MCP up at the top. So we'll click that and we'll see. And right now what we're looking for is APIs. That's what we are. We're API focused now, top of mind. Okay, it's giving me good overview. Yeah, nice. I'm looking at this model. No AIs, nothing AI, no APIs. Okay, I keep going. And I can go all the way through this, I tell you. I can go all the way through this and still I'm not going to find anything about APIs. So I'm going to have to sign up for that service and check. So there's a warning message there. It's not saying there isn't one, but there's a warning. Now let me show you here in post proxy. Straight away, come into here, Unified Social Media API for agencies. So what these guys do is they unify all your social, send it out through an API. It's obvious. So this is for SaaS and AI agents. Perfect. Straight away I know that. So I'm on the right track with this. So now you know. API, front and center, direct calls, everything's workflow ready. I found post proxy completely by accident. we needed a partner workflow tool for a video about Inpipe plugin, our plugin, as well as running our core transmute engine service in WordPress. Our free version, which is downloadable off WordPress, creates coded UTM tracking links via API. And I needed something that would show a real-world use case. Post Proxy turned out to be exactly perfect for that. Fast forward, we've now pushed 14 videos to 7 platforms in 7 days through a fuller coded workflow built using their API. Each one is tagged with its own coded UTM parameter created by our Inpipe free plugin. So now, when someone lands on our site from clicking a link in a video description, we know exactly which video they watched and where. That's what a real tool looks like. There's a great story behind how that all came together and how I connected with one of the founders of Post Proxy. I'll share that in another video and walk through the full workflow so you can start building this sort of systems yourselves. Number 3, build your AI workflows direct, not through flimsy intermediary layers. Use code as much as possible. Python and Node.js are perfect for this. When it came time to build our own systems, I made a deliberate decision. Code as foundation. Not drag and drop AI workflow tools or flippy floppy MCPs, because building with code is old school, tried and tested, giving you real control and real reliability. But again, this used to be the realm of big cash or big business. That barrier is now literally dissolved. You or your team can build a simple working WordPress plugin using Claude Code AI in 20 minutes. I'll show you this in a future video. Here's a living example. We have a live dashboard in Slack that tells us the health of all the systems. It's called Big M, M for monitor. You don't get that when your workflow is held together by string and sticky tape. When any part of our infrastructure has a problem, a message comes in with a minute and an engineer can dive straight in. This is a big business solution for a small team, letting us stay on top of our entire system metrics with ease and absolute low cost. So there you go, 3 milestones to hold in mind, stopping you making the common mistakes many business owners are making right now. Get AI focused, question every MCP, build direct code. If you're a small business owner figuring it out how to use AI to grow your business cash flows while cutting complexity, subscribe for more. And if you want to get more AI leverage for a small team, watch this video next. I'll show why you should dump WordPress page builders fast, like Elementor, and what to do with AI instead.